A hyena is being surrounded and attacked by a pack of wild dogs. The pack of dogs is viciously aggressive, knowing that the hyena is at a disadvantage against their numbers. Continuous biting and attacks are taking place. Fortunately, its teammates have arrived and successfully rescued it. A pack of hyenas is tearing apart their prey under observation of a lion pride. It starts with one lion chasing a lone hyena and successfully capturing its target. The hyena pack quickly rushes in to rescue their comrade. At this point, I'm not sure why the lion releases its prey and goes after another hyena. Feeling outnumbered and overpowered by the lion, the hyena pack reluctantly gives up its share of the meal to the opponent. In this battle, the lion emerges victorious. Any animal that encounters this giant phyton pays the price with their lives. And here, the hyena is no exception. It is tightly constricted by the massive python, leaving no chance of survival. Today, the giant phyton had a satisfying meal. In this situation, the African rock python is in the process of digesting the hyena. A truly horrifying scene. It could take several days to a few weeks for the python to completely digest its prey. The hyena and the leopard are competing for a prey in the forest. The hyena assumes that it still has share of the meal. But it is mistaken. With just a slight moment of carelessness, the leopard seizes the opportunity, snatches the prey and swiftly climbs up the tree. The hyena can only stand there helplessly. On the grassy savanna, 4 hyenas are encircling and about to turn the wild beast into their lunch today. This pack of hyenas relentlessly launches continuous attack from behind, exhibiting extreme brutality. It seems that the wild beast cannot hold much longer against their ferocious assault. A pack of wild dogs is roaming around the forest when they unexpectedly come across an injured hyena. The wild dogs start attacking, despite the prey offering no resistance or self-defense. However, it seems that a hyena is not preferred meal for the wild dog pack, as they eventually abandon the hunt and move on. Sometimes, hyenas are also engaged in conflicts with their own pack over food. The weaker individuals have to accept the disadvantage and endure the consequences of the competition for resources. In the forest, a pack of hyenas encounter a lost honey badger. The hyenas chase and attack, but a honey badger proves to be a formidable opponent. It's truly a remarkable sight.